TubShroom, the revolutionary tub drain protector hair catcher / strainer / snare, white, 2.25 by 2.25 inch. Brand, TubShroom. Color, white. Material, silicone. Product dimensions, 2.25 inch WX 2.25 H. Special feature, hair trap, hair catcher, bathtub drain block hair, OXO drain cover, drano crystals. Style, modern. Item weight, 0.48 ounces. Manufacturer, Juka Innovations Corporation. Country of origin, USA. Item model number, TSWHT 454. Is discontinued by manufacturer, no. Assembly required, no. Number of pieces, 1. Batteries required, no. No more worrying about clogged bathroom drains, struggling with harsh chemicals, or paying for expensive plumber visits. Add the TubShroom Tub Drain Hair Catcher to your bathroom accessories, and you can relax knowing it's designed to effortlessly catch any type of human or pet hair, without disrupting the flow of water. Unlike regular, unsightly drain hair catcher plugs that go over the drain, TubShroom fits inside the drain, neatly collecting and concealing hair around it. Fits any standard 1.5 inch 1.75 tub drain. Cleanup is a breeze, too. When it's time to clean up, simply wipe TubShroom off and go. With this revolutionary bathtub drain hair catcher, there are no tangled messes to deal with. Plus, there are no harsh chemicals damaging your pipes and the environment, so you can save money and help the environment. This is the last drain strainer and drain hair trap that you'll ever need. TubShroom Bathtub Hair Catcher has been honored as a 2018 KBB Product Innovator Award winner in the Home Improvement and Bathroom Gadgets category, making it a home and apartment essential. Over 6 million drains are now protected by the Shroom's patented design. If you're not completely satisfied, the Shroom family of products now includes TubShroom for bathtub drains, the SinkShroom Sink Hair Catcher for bathroom sink drains, the ShowerShroom Hair Snare for shower stall drains, the Kitchen SinkShroom Sink Drain Strainer for kitchen sink drains, the StopShroom Sink and Tub Drain Stopper for virtually all drain types, the ToiletShroom Plunger for toilet drains, and the DrainShroom Snake Drain Clog Remover to help you clear those nasty clogs out first, from the manufacturer. Smarter drain protection. TubShroom fits any standard shower bathtub drain with a snug fit. The unique mushroom-like shape allows for maximum water flow so you can keep on showering. Hair collects neatly inside the drain around the bottom lip, completely out of sight until you're ready to clean it off. A drain that has a TubShroom in place can go weeks without having to be cleaned. The last hair catcher you'll ever need. Your TubShroom was built with long-lasting, industrial-strength silicone, so it doesn't need to be replaced for at least 10 years. Say goodbye to harmful cleaners, pricey plumbers, and clogged drains forever. Get back to enjoying your showers in peace. Simple installation. TubShroom is so easy to use that all you really need to do is place it inside your shower tub drain. If your drain has a cover, it can usually be removed with a screwdriver in seconds. You can check the unit every other week to see how much hair has gathered. Easy to clean. When it's time to clean your TubShroom, simply lift it out of the drain with one hand and clean off the gathered hair with a paper towel. You'll notice the hair comes off in one swipe, neatly and cleanly. Hair has never been so cooperative. A better hair trap. For such a small product, the benefits are numerous. If you've tried other drain protectors or hair strainers already, you know how much room there is for improvement in this space. TubShroom gets it right every time. See for yourself. Making showers fun again. Long hair? Short hair? Thick hair? Curly hair? Dog hair? Cat hair? No longer a problem. Go on lovin' your beautiful hair, we say. We want the TubShroom to be one of the best investments you can make in your home. About the startup. Describe your product in 3 words. Incredible drain protection. How did you come up with the idea for this product? My wife and I both have long hair. And we have several pets in the house. Just try to imagine the number of times our drain has clogged over the years from all that hair and the amount of time and money we had to spend to keep it clear. There had to be a better way. It took years of brainstorming to come up with what we think is the perfect solution. What makes your product special? First and foremost, it works great. If it solves the problem of clogged drains for us and for our friends, we're certain it will do the same for you. It's made of durable, high-quality silicone that should last as long as your bathroom does. No cheap plastics that can crack and bend over time. We took the idea to the crowdfunding world and the response was overwhelming. We're proud of this little product because we feel it's a clever solution to a real problem out there. The only downside is that plumbers and drain cleaner manufacturers may not like us very much after this. What has been the best part of your startup experience? The best part was seeing the product come to life, so to speak. It's our baby now, and every person that it helps along the way will bring a big old smile to our faces. The positive feedback from early supporters and early testers has motivated us to get TubShroom in as many drains as possible. We've learned so much about the process, about ourselves, and about new ways we can potentially improve the bathroom experience down the road. Special feature: hair trap, hair catcher, bathtub drain block hair, OXO drain cover, drano crystals. Prevents clogged tub drains. This TubShroom drain protector and hair catcher is designed to effortlessly catch any type of human or pet hair, preventing clogged drains and costly plumber visits, without disrupting the flow of water. No Mess drain catcher. TubShroom fits inside the drain, neatly collecting and concealing hair around it, unlike regular, unsightly bathtub hair catcher plugs that go over the drain. Fits any standard 1.5-inch, 1.75 tub drain. Easy cleanup. With this revolutionary tub drain hair catcher, there are no tangled messes to deal with. Cleanup takes just minutes. Simply wipe TubShroom off and go. It's a must-have bathroom accessory. Save money, protect the environment. With this bathtub and shower hair catcher, there are no harsh chemicals damaging your pipes and the environment. A plumber visit can be costly, and drain snakes and liquid drain cleaners aren't always effective. Award-winning, patented design, TubShroom Drain Catcher has been honored as a 2018 KBB Product Innovator Award winner in the Home Improvement and Bathroom Gadgets category. Over 6 million drains are now protected by the Shroom's patented design.